Okay, here is a video that I've decided to do on this weird looking Rizzuto knife that I've got here. I picked this knife up over the weekend and I thought maybe one of the Rizzuto fans might enjoy owning it. It is a very different looking piece, that's for sure. I've seen a couple, but not many. This one is on the rare side, I think. And it's in very near mint condition. It hasn't been used or carried at all. The blade is real full and hasn't been sharpened beyond what the factory did. It looks great. It says Rizzuto, Estileto, Milano. I don't know if I'm getting that or not. It's really hard to say, but it says it, and it says it pretty deep. So here's the knife. The plastic handles are in real good shape. No cracks, pin cracks, any kind of cracks. Not even any real scratches or anything like that. And the handle shape is very odd, kind of a finger groove sort of thing going on with a real, I don't know, bird's beak bolster or something. The finger guard on top is really kind of strange too. That's fixed, that doesn't move. The knife fires really well, locks up pretty tight too, but let's go ahead and close it up, let you have a look at it. The safety got a nice drag on it, works good, perfect. The knife closes deep. Pretty well centered in the handle. Really nice piece. Somebody's going to get a real nice piece of vintage cutlery here, and it fires really good too, so let's give that a try. Bang. Nice. Really good. Pretty good lockup. I mean, you know, not perfect, but not bad. This is a nice piece. This would be really nice for somebody's collection. I think the winning bidder will be happy with this guy. I'll go ahead and close it up and fire it one more time. Boom. That is going to please somebody. Okay, there you go. That is the rare Rizzuto Estileto Milano. So there you go.